So when we log in, it asks for the name first. Then it says please authenticate and asks for the email address. So if you give some random email address, then it will say the email address you entered is not valid. Please enter a valid email. So I'll give the correct email. So now it checks whether this email is within the registered merchandiser's email ID. Then it sends an OTP to the email address, which I have here. I'll attach the screenshot in the mail, in the PPT. So my password is 156307. So now it opens up, and now the chatbot, I can use the chatbot functionalities. So I'll first go to the attendance part. So it asks for the location, so at which store I am. So I'll say LG Shopee Mayur Vihar, and to share the live location, I'll say Pocket 1, Phase 1, Delhi. Currently it's in string format. Later on we can update it with the help of our team into live location of the user. If there's any other message for the admin, so this is to interact with the admin. So one can write any personal message for the admin. Sorry for the delay. I had a meeting with Arun sir. I've taken a random name. Okay. Thank you, Mr. Mayank. I am sending your attendance application to the manager for confirmation. Verification email has been sent to your manager. Thank you for your response. So currently I am the manager, with my other email ID is the manager. So I got the mail instantly about the live location. I'll attach the screenshot. Now it's asking the merchandiser to add the to-do list for the day. So I'll go to the to-do list. I'll say new user. So it has when we go for the new user, it will give you a specific ID which you have to save, and which you'll have to copy and save with you and keep it safe with you. And another way is returning user. You'll have to provide this specific user ID and it will open up. So now I'll go and create task. So make PowerPoint presentation of go to market bot. So it asks whether you want to add something or it's fine. So I'll say I'll have to add. So I'll say make video presentation of the recording. Okay, so it says, so I'll say no, I don't have to add. So now it says these are the tasks that you have added. It shows up, and then it says that the task added is completed. You can view the task over here. So these are the tasks that we have added. So now we can go and delete task by just pressing it. So do you want to delete more tasks? I'll say no for now. Then we can go and change the user. So we can give different user ID in the returning user, or select new user for another day. Now we can go and exit. So it says welcome back, how can I help you? So now it has my name stored. Hello. So to show deviations and to show that this can be hosted in other channels other than Telegram, I have taken an example of MS Teams. So it says what is your name. I've already filled their informations so that the video is short. So I'll go on market intelligence. So I'll have to type it like market intelligence. Market intelligence. So it's asking about the store name and the distributor name. So I'll say Mr. Arun Preet Vihar. Now it's asking for the location, so I'll say Preet Vihar, Delhi 110094. I don't know the exact IP address of it. So it's asking about the category. I'll say for laptop. So after choosing the category laptop, I am going to choose competition pricing. So I'll say competition pricing. So it's asking if there's any link to share. I'll say skip for now. So please mention the competitive brand and the model with ERRP. So I'll say that Motorola is launching their new series or range of laptops. So like this we can send a message to the admins with the market report, and this can have multiple lines. So this is not like we have to just write one line. We can write multiple lines. The para has no limit. So if you have any pictures, do share. I'll say skip for now. So ad completed. So if we'll go on display product, so we'll find that it asks for the add product. It shows up 5 options: add, update, remove, view all, and exit. So if we go on add product, it asks for the view last product ID. Let's suppose this is for the merchandisers, so they have a few of the products to be displayed in their Shopee, which they are responsible to manage them. So I've made it for them so that it's easy for them to manage those products, and they can keep a record of it with the admins keeping a record of it. So I've this is for the last product ID. So what if a person forgets about the last product that he has added? So he can go and check for the monitors. I've already added one product. So it says I've added P1 in the product. So I'll say, would you like to add more? Would you like to see more categories, latest product? So I'll say yes. So I haven't added anything in the projector section. I'll go and select projector. So it says the projector category does not have any products. I've already added something in the laptop. So let's see if a laptop has it. Yes, L2 is present in the laptop with the product name visible to us. So I'll go and select no now. So it asks for the product ID. We see that the L2 is there. So I'll say L3. So it asks for the name. I've already shared the name with my father. I'll just copy paste it, and it's copied. Yeah. So now it went in this string format. Now it asks for the it says that this name already exists. So that means that the previously products that I've already added has the same product. So I'll go and say that I'll change the name by 16 or 19 inch. So what should be the price of it? I'll say 10 dash rupees. So it's asking for the image URL. I'll just copy it and paste it. So it's asking for the category. I'll select laptop. So would you like to add more product? No. Now this is the template that we see when the product is added. So if this template is visible, that means the product is added to the Excel sheet. So now we can see it. So we can go on view all product, view by category, and now we can see the laptops that we have added. So these are the laptops that I've added earlier. So these are the laptops. So would you like, if we can also see view all products, then it will show us the monitors, projectors, laptops that we have that I have added previously with the product that I have added just now, which is this one. So similarly I can remove, I can update the product price, etc., and that's it. So if we press exit, it will go back to the main page, which is attendance, to-do list, market intelligence, display product, and log off. And at the end, when you have completed your day, when you have done your operations for the day, then you can just log off. One thing that I would like to mention is that this go to market bot is very useful for the on field staff, that is the merchandisers, and they can use it. That this can be this is hosted over Telegram. This is not only limited to Telegram, but can be hosted over web apps, over email, over SMS, over WhatsApp, and over MS Teams, over apps like MS Teams, which is with everyone. So I've given an example of Telegram in this. So this is like the on-field staff doesn't have to download any extra app. The managers don't have to call them again and again to get their locations. They can just ask them to fill this go-to-market bot, or interact with this go-to-market bot every day once, so that the managers keep a note of their location and their attendance, so, and their market reports. Everything will be compiled and an Excel sheet will be generated, which can easily be compared, and data can easily be read with that. So this helps in optimizing the human resource, and this helps in, this becomes hassle free for the merchandisers as well as the admin, so it becomes easy for them to interact. So thank you, that's all for the day.